Oh my God, I don't know what it said at. It's high. Come on.
So same thing. You're gonna overlap on this one. Like the third petal is gonna be overlap the second one. And then overlap the first one.
Yeah, I think I started it out too far. Away from the center.
So Lisa, you can kind of hold a comment, just slide down from the top, from like the middle of the screen, right where
Can
the
we see
comments
me?
start.
Yeah.
Then you can just see Vicky without a comment.
Yeah, just slide down the comments, and then that way they won't be expanded. You can see the beginner versus the pro. I've done the gel, the 40 gel. You guys have all seen my Halloween. I build weird things out of it. And I do little teeny flowers. I've never tried Nancy's big flowers.
It's okay.
But you know what? I'm getting more extra, and I like them bigger now.
Yours looks really good. The petals is really good.
I've gotten like super extra. Well, I found I had to put my bead closer to the center. I put it too far away, and so then I couldn't work. But now I got the concept.
So what you need to do is thin on the centers. Like the centers, you need to blend it thin and leave more a thickness toward to the free edges of the petals.
How it curls
up
up.
Outside, yes.
Because that's how it curls up. But then the other thing that you get is, see how my orange is coming through, my pink is coming through.
Yeah.
All my colors are coming through from underneath
really
too,
cool.
which is cool. And these little lines that you leave in here, that's part of your petal.
There you go.
You want the lines in there.
So, yeah. So then now I'm gonna flash cure it first.
It's so cute.
Is that cute and it's easy, right?
Yeah. So I'm flash curing offside the table because I've got gel all up here. Make sure you never flash cure where your gel is, because it only takes, there's so many photo initiators in all the gels that it takes 2 seconds and you'll skim coat everything.
And then
I'm so happy with my little flower.
yeah, I'm so happy for you.
Put yours up there by mine. Put yours upside down. Let's see how close we look. Turn it around the other way. So that there's split screen. No, back, like turn it this way. This way. And then we'll be split screen right up here. Side by side. Come on, you're not even close. There, I come closer. Hey, we did good. It's pretty close. Not bad.
Yours looks really good.
Lisa says, does anybody know if there's a way to get rid of the comments? Oh, she already did that. Good job. You already said it. I'm a little behind.
So now the second round, the second layer of the 3D, what you need to do is really a little bit really cool tip right here is you're gonna put your beads right between the first petal, like between the two petals. There's two.
Oh, like right in the middle here?
Right.
Like
yes.
Right on top of the 2 petals?
Right.
I'll watch you.
Okay, so in this one, you can do even get your beads a little bit smaller.
I've got a ginormous bead. Switch that one out. I have small, medium, and large. It's okay.
Does
I'll make this one, while I watch, I'll make it smaller.
No, your bead is good.
It just looks a little big. I got like teeny tiny and huge. Yeah, this looks better. That one was big. I took that much off. I can make another bead.
All right, so then you're gonna do is still using the tip, and then you just like twist it.
So I'm making 1 petal there.
Yeah, 2 petals.
So I'm gonna do 2 petals. So 1 up there.
1 there. The reason I don't want to do it too small because then it's gonna blending it in. So you want to get some sort of like a 3-dimension look. And using the tips.
How come it's sticking to me?
It doesn't stick to
that's
you?
When you dip it in it's sticking to my
brush.
Oh,
it sticks
so I just dipped. Yeah, so I just cleaned off my brush a little
Clean
bit.
the brush.
Alcohol. I dried it off. We'll grab this other bead.
So thin on the edges. Costa Rini, hello. How are you? Thanks so much, Ruth. You looks good. Did good. Okay, make sure it's in the middle of the 2 petals. You off
Where
on
you
the
at?
left, you off on the right too much.
Huh?
You get it on the
I'm over
both
too
and a
much?
half. Yeah, it's over too much on the side. On the left side. You want to make sure that in the middle of two petals. So then
It
that
was
way.
in the middle right there.
Oh, okay. But why is it I see is more on the left?
I don't know. It was right in the middle. I'll do another one.
Do another one. Do the other one. The other one. On the bottom
This
one.
big one?
Yes.
It's big.
No, it's not.
All right. If it's too big, it's your fault.
It's okay.
Where am I at? Right here.
We blame on someone that not here.
It's never. It's you. It's Lily's fault. I always blame everything on poor Lily. I'm like, sorry, Lily. Am I still on frame? Okay.
You are on the screen. Good.
Got a little hole right where the petals meet.
Just build it up so you won't have too much hole in it. Just using the tips and spread this.
I'll just grab. I got a little dab here. No big deal. Am I still on screen? Okay.
Yes.
See, Nancy can pace you guys all off of me because I'm slow. And I got a hole.
Gorgeous said, I don't think it's that bad, Vicky. She said it looks good.
It looks different.
Nick said, I'm going down to my table.
Nice.
Nick's.
Feathering out the edges. It just takes a minute to work it. That's it. I have no more hole.
Looks really good. Make sure you blend on the edge right here thin, because yours going to place another beads for the next petals on the top. So I'm gonna do a same one, and in this one, you see that is gonna be between this first layer, between this, and then overlap this first one.
Okay, okay, so where's that at?
So the next beads will be between between these two petals,
Right
and
here?
then overlap on the first one. Yes. Overlap,
Okay.
like you can lay it
Does this
overlap.
look good right here where I'm at? Does that look good?
Yes, it's good.
Okay, I'm gonna flash cure it. Because you guys, I'm not as good as Nancy.
And then you're doing
You can catch up. I'm so slow, you'll have plenty of time.
yes, next will be here with you.
All right, so you like a bigger petal, so I'm gonna let's see what size this one is.
So I'm gonna do
This
the
is so
next
great.
one.
Is it just... Oh, my dog's starting to go crazy again. Come on. That's why I need my knit whispers. They take them out for me. That looks so big to me. I'm gonna use it.
Which one
Alright,
is so big?
This one, it looks good. That size.
Yeah, move it up. Let me see. So when you do the clients, right, you don't have to go in this way and then get work off like your hand like this, right? Hold on, let me show you how you doing this. And if you have the 3D clients, like 3D brush, 3D flowers, you don't have to turn the fingers, your hand like this. You're gonna kill your wrists and yourself. All you need to do is to have the client just turn the finger
Just
like this.
Turn their fingers around. Yeah.
Yes, and then turn finger around and walk around like this.
All right, let's see. Where are you putting this? I'm looking at my other camera because then I can see it.
All right, so
Okay, so I see right where you're putting
right,
it. Okay.
a little bit off on the left.
So, right here, right?
Yes, perfect. So now using the tips, okay, using the tips and place it right here. Place right in the middle first.
Uh-huh. Hold on, I'll put it in somewhere. Try room. No. Come here. You guys want-
So if you're following with me, you can do using the tip of this and press it down really gently. And then you're gonna using the tip of it until to the left. And then you go to the right. really gently. You do not need to press it so hard to the point that it's so flattened, then your flowers might be kind of melt together. It looks like it blends together. It doesn't look like it separates like really precise. Hi, Capri.
Hello, hola, Captain.
Lisa Polish off said, Vicky Jensen was going to ask you about your pups because I haven't heard him tonight.
Oh, you can't hear him? There he is. I put him in my bedroom. He is not happy. He's like, let me out. So he's going to have to go outside, I guess. Good grief.
He's like, Mommy, I'm not going to be here. Look good. So then you need to like try to blend on the center. Make the centers right in the middle thin. Just brush it outward. So then that way when you put another beads on it, this one will be really cool and it's kind of halos for you to put your crystals on your beads on it. Thank you, Latira. Latira, hello, how are you?
I'm rethinking. Maybe I should have had children instead of a dog. Your children are so well behaved.
Okay, so
okay, am I good right there?
let's see. It's good, but a little bit big.
A little big? That's what I thought. You told me it was a good size.
Because I couldn't see the on from the place. I'm sorry.
I know.
But hey, but it's a good thing that you can take it off, right? With acrylic, you can't take it off.
Just take it off. No.
Just get the smaller one.
I don't care.
So it doesn't hurt anything because you flash key already.
Yeah, I flash cured everything.
Lisa Polish office. No, kids misbehave too. That's.
But they're not so noisy like that one. You can
So China said, laugh out loud, Vicky, you could have my kids.